Hello guys. In this week's question, we need to make use of algebraic identities to solve a question involving quadratic equations. Recall that m minus north whole thing square is the same as m square minus 2mn plus n square. Notice that this is very similar to what is given in our question, which is ax square minus 110xy plus by square. By comparing the middle term, we observe that 110xy is represented by 2mn in the formula, which means that mn is equal to 55xy. Since question tells us that x is smaller than y but larger than 1, the only way we can write 55 as a product of factors would be 5 and 11, so 55xy can also be written as 5x times 11y. This would mean that m is actually represented by 5x and n is represented by 11y. Going back to our formula, we now see that ax square is represented by m square, so a is equal to 5 square, which is 25. Similarly, b is equal to 11 square, which is 121. Did you manage to solve this week's challenge? Leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content coming up. See you next week.